Today we're gonna bring in some beautiful antique looking lanterns. Now these will last you for many years, especially because they're aluminum based, and not only that, they're solar powered, so you don't have to worry about powering these suckers up at all. Because at night when you go camping, you want to maybe set these up around your campground. They're not going to illuminate too much, but they have a nice beautiful little torchlight running throughout the day. All right, so very simple to use. All you got to do is there's a power on and off button here, and you could turn them on anytime. We're gonna take these outside, but just to let you guys know, these are night to day mode too. You could turn them on. If you guys can see that, they automatically turn on, and they look like a little torch inside. Of course, these are safe, they won't burn or anything like that. And this is glass. This is actual glass, so you got to be careful not to drop these too many times because they might shatter. Now they give you two lanterns. All right, so we're gonna take a look at them. I'm gonna put them outside, see how beautiful they look in the dark. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how beautiful they look at night. They shine. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see it. They look like real fires, but they're just two crystals side to side, mimicking lighting like it's a fire, but they're really beautiful looking at night. Very soothing if you're out there camping, or you take them out anywhere, or you just leave them out on your front porch through the day, through the night. These are perfect if you're gonna put them in front of your yard or your backyard, just to give you a little bit more lighting. So